Hello, little flow scientists. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Science Flow. Today, we will look at different animal homes. These homes are called habitats. Animals live in many different places. Some animals live in water. Some animals live near trees. Some animals live in hot places. Some animals live in cold places. Let's explore habitats together. What is a habitat? A habitat is a home for animals and plants. Animals need food. Animals need water. Animals need air. Animals need a safe place to live. Different animals live in different habitats. Say it with me. A habitat is a home. Great job. This is the ocean. The ocean is big and blue. The ocean has salty water. Many animals live in the ocean. A shark lives in the ocean. A whale lives in the ocean. An octopus lives in the ocean. A jellyfish and a seahorse live in the ocean too. Look carefully. What animals can you see? Let's say it together. Ocean animals live in the sea. Can you swim like an ocean animal? Swim, swim, swim. This is fresh water. Fresh water is not salty. We can find fresh water in ponds, lakes, and rivers. A frog lives near a pond. A fish lives in a river. A duck swims on a lake. A turtle lives in fresh water. Have you seen a pond, a lake, or a river before? Let's say it together. Freshwater animals live in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Can you jump like a frog? Jump, jump, jump. This is a forest. A forest has many trees. Some animals live under the trees. Some animals live in the trees. A bear lives in the forest. A deer lives in the forest. A fox lives in the forest. An owl and a squirrel live in the forest, too. Look at the trees. Who lives here? Let's say it together. Forest animals live near many trees. Let's walk in the forest. Walk, walk, walk. This is the grassland. The grassland has lots of grass. It has a lot of open space. It has only a few trees. A zebra lives in the grassland. A giraffe lives in the grassland. An elephant lives in the grassland. A lion and a cheetah live in the grassland too. Let's play a little guessing game. I have a long neck. I eat leaves. Who am I? Yes, a giraffe. Let's say it together. Grassland animals live where there is lots of grass. Can you run like a grassland animal? Run, run, run! This is the jungle. A jungle is hot and wet. It has many plants. It has tall trees and big leaves. A monkey lives in the jungle. A tiger lives in the jungle. A parrot lives in the jungle. A snake and a toucan live in the jungle too. Listen carefully. The jungle is like a forest, but it is hot and wet. Let's say it together. Jungle animals live in a hot, wet forest. Can you swing like a monkey? Swing, swing, swing. This is the desert. The desert is very dry. Some deserts are hot in the day. There is little water. A camel can live in the desert. A lizard can live in the desert. A snake can live in the desert. A scorpion and a coyote can live in the desert too. Desert animals have special ways to live with little water. Let's say it together. Desert animals live in hot, dry places. The desert is hot. Walk slowly. Step, step, step. This is the Arctic. The Arctic is very cold. It has snow and ice. It has icy water. A polar bear lives in the Arctic. An Arctic fox lives in the Arctic. A seal lives in icy water. A snowy owl and a reindeer live in cold places too. Arctic animals can live in cold places. Let's say it together. Arctic animals live in cold places. Can you shiver? Brr, it is cold. Now let's look at all the habitats together. Ocean has salty water. Freshwater has ponds, lakes, and rivers. Forest has many trees. Grassland has lots of grass. Jungle is hot and wet. Desert is dry and has little water. Arctic is very cold with snow and ice. Habitats are animal homes. Great listening. Now let's play a game. Let's play. Look at the animal and guess the habitat. Point and say your answer. Where does a frog live? Does it live in the desert, the Arctic, or freshwater? Yes, a frog lives in freshwater. Where does a camel live? Ocean, desert, or forest? Yes, a camel lives in the desert. Where does a polar bear live? Grassland, jungle, or Arctic? Yes, a polar bear lives in the Arctic. You are doing a great job. Let's chant together. Ocean animals swim, swim, swim. Freshwater frogs jump, jump, jump. Forest animals walk, walk, walk. Grassland animals run, run, run. Jungle animals swing, swing, swing. Desert animals crawl, crawl, crawl. Arctic animals shiver, shiver, shiver. Habitats are animal homes. Let's say it one more time. Habitats are animal homes. Now it is your turn to speak. Use this sentence. A blank lives in the blank. Listen first. A shark lives in the ocean. A frog lives in fresh water. A monkey lives in the jungle. A camel lives in the desert. A polar bear lives in the Arctic. Now you try. Choose one animal and say the sentence. It lives in the... Excellent speaking. Great job, little scientists. Great job, little flow scientists. Today, we looked at many animal habitats. We looked at the ocean. We looked at freshwater. We looked at the forest. We looked at the grassland. We looked at the jungle. We looked at the desert. And we looked at the Arctic. Remember, a habitat is where an animal lives. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time. Bye.